So we stopped to get gas, and that popped up. So now we need to figure out why and how to fix it so we don't get a ticket. Welcome to Rock Solid Rig. My name is Providence and this is my husband Josh, and today we are going to be picking up our Poison Spider fenders. We had them powder coated by Mojo Powder Coating down in Houston, and so we are really excited to see all of the progress that they've made. They've sent us pictures while they've been going through this process, and so seeing it in person is something that we're really excited about. So we're going to go ahead and get on the road and get down there to pick them up. We fixed the light! Well guys, we made it 2 hours after we anticipated due to our fun little light situation. However, we're here, we're safe, and we're about to go see if we can find some food.
And booze.
And booze. We're gonna see if we can find some booze.
Hey guys, we made it back safely, sort of. Ran into some issues with lighting, and the wind really wanted to make us sail around all over the place on the way down and back. But we made it back. We got the fenders. Here they're all in the back of the Jeep. Thank you to Ron at mojojeep.com. We got them picked up from him. He's down in Houston. Did a fantastic job. I can't wait to show them to you guys. They look really, really great. But he does all sorts of powder coating. He does D-rings, any parts, anything that you need coated, he can get taken care of. We're going to share his link below. Let you guys go check him out. So hope to see you again soon in another video whenever we're doing the install on these. But for now, we are out of here. If you like the video, please go ahead and click like. Share this with your friends. Go ahead and subscribe. Please, please, please share it. That'd be really great. Thank you. Bye.